Okay, Popit, prepare to meet your maker. This feels so good. Freeze! Put the scissors down. Officer Jones, Popit Squad. Popit Squad? No! Poppets everywhere! I'm surrounded! Let me out! What's that in your hands? It's nothing, honest. A poppet? No. Look. Hand it over. This is so not fair. You'll get it after class. Now go. Hi, miss. Oh, hi. I hope you don't have any silly poppets on you. I only have my notebook. There's something strange about that book. Open it up. Okay, see? Nothing but boring equations. I'm impressed. Okay, but equations are not boring. Remember that. Sure, thanks. Yes! Why are you so happy? It's math class. Because I have this. Look. A notebook. Look closer. Just open it up and... a poppet! Pretty cool, huh? Very cool. But I want one. How did you do it? Okay, but it's a secret. First, take some card. Then place the poppet on the card and draw around it. Cut out the circle. Do the same with normal plain paper. Place the paper on the card, then the poppet. Add some more on top. Finally, pin them together and you have a notebook with a little extra fun. The teacher will never know. Have a play. Can I? Thanks! Much better than math class. So much better.
Let's spin the wheel. What will it stop on? A rainbow. Ooh. I can't wait. Whoa, where did that come from? There's so many poppets. Wow, Sarah, look at this. Wow, you're so lucky. That's it? All I get is a bell? Okay, I suppose I should ring it. No way! A dancing unicorn! I love it! Thanks, Mr. Unicorn! Bye! Unicorn cereal! Yummy! That looks good! Let's start! Wow! I've never seen so many poppets! This is gonna be so much fun! It's never ending! There's more! Are you seeing this? It built back up! I wonder how long it'll take to pop all of these. That is so awesome! Okay, my turn. Luckily, I always have a bowl and a glass of milk with me. Here goes. It's so colorful! I can't wait to try it. Spotless! Mindy, are you okay? I'm good. Okay. I'll be with you in a minute. Let me know if you need some help.
Yeah, I got the drinks for the party. Is it just me or is it hot in here? It's so warm. Wait, I know how to cool us down. Yuck, that's a huge spider. That fan looks pretty old. Whatever, it'll help cool this party down. Work! Come on! The fan isn't working. We'll just have to deal with it. Thank goodness for this poppet. It's too warm to party. It'll be fine. It won't be. Look! Sweaty pits! Oh, wow. Have you tried different deodorant? Here, I think you need this more than me. Maybe the party will be okay. It's so warm! Why is there no fans? I hope no one can smell me. This party sucks! We need to do something. What about using this poppet? We could maybe… I think I know how to cool things down. Just take a normal poppet toy. Fill the tray with water. You can add food coloring to the water for beauty. Then, into the freezer. Oh, I hope he hurries up. Things are heating up. Why is it so warm in here? I need a cold drink. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Popit ice cubes. Yes! This is so much better. I needed this. I can't believe prom's finally here. I'm so nervous. Okay, just add the finishing touches to my outfit. I look like a fruit bowl. That's a no. I look like I'm wearing my grandmom's curtains. Nope. Prom is ruined. I'll never find earrings. What am I gonna do? Fluffy! Look at what you've done to my poppit. It's ruined. Oh, hang on. This might just work. I'll just cut up the poppit. Add a piece of wire. Do the same with the other piece. Poppit earrings! These look amazing! I'll definitely be prom queen now. Oh, Fluffy. I wish I could take you to prom as my date. But I think we need to do something about your breath first. Yuck. Okay, time to look fabulous!
So you or me? Me! I hope it's something nice. It's red. Ooh. Wow! Well done! Vroom vroom! There's something else. This looks like great fun. I wonder what this button does. Whoa! Look at it go! Whoa! Oops! Sorry! That's not good. I'm gonna have some candy. It's so small. But it tastes so good. I guess I'll have the rest. I love them. Aw, I wish I had candy. Do you think it'll come back? Wait, there's candy in here too! I didn't realize! I'm gonna try it. In it goes! It's amazing!
Hey, who does this belong to?
Don't look at me. It's hers. Sarah! Why?
Here you go.
Thanks.
Oh, sweet bike. There's only one thing for it.
No! Please don't! No! It was an accident! Stop! Huh? Cool! This is awesome! Thanks, Mr. Alien! Hold on. What are you doing?
I'm hitting the road.
But… no one's gonna believe this! I know!